Marin, what do you want to make for dinner? Bougie pizza bread? Does that sound good?
Yeah.
Bougie pizza bread, caprese, fresh caprese, bruschetta, however you want to say it. Something like that?
Yeah.
Does that sound good? Okay. Well, we have our marinated tomatoes that we've got done with a nice olive oil and our black garlic balsamic. I had a little bit of mushroom truffle sauce, salt and pepper, and our amazing black garlic balsamic. So we're just going to scoop some of that onto the little crostinis that we have cut up. I have a couple pepperoni, just because it sounded good. And then our fresh mozzarella. It's going to be delicious. And this is where it went off the rails. So this is the Marin knife, but you still have to be careful.
Yeah.
And this is the Marin tomato. Okay, hold your hand on the top. Oops. And you want to keep it away from your fingers. I hate macerating tomatoes. Cut surprisingly well. Do I do it in the cubes for the bruschetta? You ready to give me a choose?
Yeah.
Marin, you make really yummy black garlic balsamic vinegar.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Do you want to help me shake some in?
Yeah.
Oh, there's no shaker on this one. That's okay, because we're just adding a splash anyways. I know, you would probably drink it from the bottle. Okay, we gotta wait for... I don't know what I'm doing right now. Whether I should toast the bread. Everyone's hungry, we just need to eat. So we're just gonna put the tomatoes on the bread, put the cheese on, and call it a day. It's gonna taste delicious. I don't care whether that's what you do with it, bruschetta, or caprese or not. That's how we're gonna eat it. And it's gonna be good. Mushroom truffle sauce, and it all just makes everything unique and come together. A lot of the meals at my house, it's a one-shot deal because I'm probably not gonna have the same ingredients in the fridge again. Want to eat those pieces? Make a couple more pepper. I'm gonna try not to drip juice on you, man.